Hello, we are Team Data Stars, and we're going to be presenting on the Odipka database. So the word Odipka is basically coined from two departments here in Ashesi. That's the ODIP and the Career Services. So for the ODIP, is a department here on campus that handles like mostly international affairs and international conferences and also study abroad programs. So for the Career Services, it's also a department here on the Ashesi campus that mostly handles students' career development, alumni opportunities, and also internships. So for a very long time, the ODIP has been running this program called the Body Up program, which is basically a program or a platform that connects freshmen to their seniors to help them out with like academic development and also settling into the community so that they have like a well-rounded freshman year experience. So the problem here is that for a very long time, the ODIP and like the career services have not been able to like share information seamlessly or smoothly. And because of this, the body of program, the matching of like the freshmen to the seniors is basically done in a manual way. And this makes it like very difficult and it takes a very long time before like the results of the body of program come out because they're trying to like use manual systems to match these students. So that is why we came up with a solution to this problem by developing a database where the ODIP and the Ashesi Career Services will be able to like share informations between like the two departments seamlessly. This our approach actually aligns with Ashesi's aim to like build well-rounded leaders. So these are the key operations that our database will incorporate. So we have the student mentorship and integration, which I would explain in a bit. We also have the employment opportunity matching, the resource center and information sharing, and the feedback and improvement. So for the feedback and improvement, we didn't incorporate that into our database at the moment, but we're considering that for future plans. So for the student mentorship and integration, our main objective for incorporating this into our database is to like facilitate like a seamless match-up process for like the freshmen to their seniors to help them like settle into the Ashesi University life seamlessly. So some of the features here will be the extracurricular activities that both the freshmen and the senior students do, their academic interest and also their career interest. We also have the employment opportunity matching, which mostly leans on the side of like the career services, where the career services connect students and even the alumni to opportunities and internships. So some of the features that are going to be incorporated into this is internship, job opportunities, and guidance on like career development. So we also have the resource center and the information sharing. So our main objective for incorporating this is to like foster a collaborative academic environment. So some of the features you're going to see here are forums, articles where people can like share their opinions, Q&A sessions to like address people's challenges that they're having with their academics. So for the feedback and improvement, like I mentioned earlier, we didn't incorporate this into like our database right now, but it's something we are like considering for the future to like enable. So it will basically be like a feedback system for students to like share their suggestions on how like we can meet their needs and make the database better. So I'll hand it over to Evans and Favor to take us through the enterprise rules and the functionalities.
For ER diagram, many industries can be found under one company, but a company is actually under can actually be an umbrella under one company. Let's say software development or something, but then they have different products that serve many industries actually, but they are under like one company or one umbrella industry. Then for the department and company, they can have actually many employers. Same goes with also the mentors and many mentors. Some employers can actually not opt to be mentors. That's why there is zero to many. And then an employer can actually be an employer. Then for the stem of opportunities, resource support and then university is sharing one-to-one relationship. And for the opportunities and the resource support is such that many opportunities can be assigned to one resource support. Then for the academic section, for the academics, many student records academics can also find under one student, and then one student can actually have access to one or only one academic record. Same goes with alumni employer and versus their employers, the alumni, and also for their alumni employers is illustrated in our ER diagram here. So the students can actually be under one major, but then many majors can actually be assigned to many students. So the relationship is distributed based on their functionalities.
Now, looking at the functionalities of the ODIP card database, as already mentioned, that our database allows students to gain opportunities like internship, research positions, and exchange programs, etc. Some of the functionalities we are looking at today will be how we are helping students to find these opportunities. And one of them is how we're able to select relevant information from the opportunities table where by using the opportunities type. And this is the code where we are creating a new table which we are taking information from opportunities as I just said. And in this time we are looking for only opportunities which are of exchange program as you can see here. Moving on, another functionality here is like looking for the top three measures with the highest average opportunity gain. So opportunity gain is basically looking at the opportunities which are available, which with relationship to your position, your major, you can easily get. So looking at the code here, we are selecting from the major table where we are looking at the student opportunity gain to see how many students have gotten certain opportunities. So another one too here could be more specific as in your search where we are looking at finding only opportunities related to computer science and engineering. Let's look at the functionalities related to academic strategy. So as we've already mentioned, this project is both helping students in the administration, that's career services and ODIP, and it will help career services with its mentoring program where we are able to let's say find mentors who have mentored students in both computer science and business administration. So from this information gotten, we're able to see if these particular mentors are actually helping students when they track how far or how good the student has become after the mentorship program. Another functionality here is to display the mentors and the mentees. So from this, you're able to know which mentee or student mentor will be. And from here, we can see that are taking information from the mentors table and we are creating a table where we are joining the mentors and mentees. Moving on, so these are also opportunities, functionalities which help the ODIP and career services to be able to see the kind of opportunities they have so far from both divisions. That's from only for only career services and only ODIP. And from here, we are able to find and count the number of opportunities available for these for these two departments. So another functionality worth noticing is to count the opportunities available for each major. So if they want to now know how many opportunities they have for each major, in case let's say they have a threshold they want to meet, that maybe they have to get 30 opportunities for these majors to work on. So with this database, they're able to now have more analysis where they can even track even the alumni and see how many of them are being employed, which they graduated from 2019. So this is the code where they take the first year, second year, they take the person's year, specifically 2019, and they check if the person has been employed or not. So this database basically helps us to be able to find uh, to give more analysis to these two departments to analyze and come up with if they need more mentors to help students embark on their visions, or if to know how well students are faring in terms of their skills gotten from these opportunities they get. This
So this is the web app that makes use of our database. We made it in such a way that users can be able to view opportunities, mentors, resource support, and if they are interested, they can also sign up and also sign up for mentorship so that we can link them with their mentors. So if they click here, they will see the opportunities, which are the opportunities that are in our database. And then for mentors, they are also able to see the mentors that are available. And then for resource support, they will be able to also see the resource support. Yeah, so this shows that this is work in progress. Once we are done, we'll be able to also deploy this website. Thank you.